Hello friends, welcome back. We have been learning the design thinking tools, and in the past couple of sessions we discussed the visualization and also the customer journey mapping. Now we are going to learn the most important and very interesting value chain analysis. What is this? It is a strategic tool which is very helpful in identifying the primary and the support activities. Every product, every process will have primary and support activities, and value chain analysis is a strategic tool which is going to help you in identifying the same. And with that, what can we do? We can add value to the product or service, helping organizations understand where they can achieve the competitive advantages without compromising the customer's comfort and customer's convenience. This was originally started by Michael Porter, a value chain analysis expert, and he broke down each step of the company's operations, which helped him uncover cost efficiencies and areas for improvement. It was a nice effort, and we are going to learn that. Yes, we are going to discuss the value chain analysis, which is a strategic tool used to identify the primary and the support activities. Let's go into it deeper. All right. What are the key components of value chain analysis? We are going to learn it step by step. The primary activities and secondary activities. These are what we are going to understand. Let's take the primary activities first. The inbound logistics is the first thing. What is that? The receiving, warehousing, and managing inventory. All these come under inbound logistics. Example, a company's process for sourcing the raw materials, like for example, a clothing brand sourcing fabric. Next is operations, transforming the inputs into the final product. That is, you got the raw materials, you got the input, you got to transform it to the final product. An example, the production line where the raw materials are completely converted into finished products, such as assembling the electronic devices. That's a simple instance which I am giving you. Next comes the outbound logistics, storing and distributing the final product to the customer. You have manufactured it, now you will have to store it and you will have to distribute it properly. The example can be, how do you deliver, how do you ship all the products through proper logistics to the customers or to the stores will come under this point. Then comes the marketing and the sales, the activities that are aimed at persuading the customers to purchase. You should provoke the customers to purchase. Example can be digital marketing campaigns that organizations undertake or in-store promotions to boost the product awareness. All this will come under the marketing and sales. And finally, service. You need to support the customer post-purchase. That will enhance the satisfaction and ensure that you retain the customers, and also the customers give very good feedback to enhance word of mouth reach as well. Example could be the customer support or the warranty services offer to resolve any product challenges or issues which we are getting. So all these come under primary activities. What can be the support activities? Procurement. You need to acquire the resources, can be the raw materials, technology or equipment. There, negotiating supplier contracts to reduce the material cost can come under that criteria. Then comes the technology development. You have to improve the product or process through appropriate innovation. For example, the R&D efforts that we are going to put that can enhance the product quality or reduce the production time shall come under this. Human resource management is a very important support activity. Recruiting, training, retaining, upskilling employees, all these come under the human resource management. Employee training programs to improve the productivity or improve the customer handling skills can come under this. The firm infrastructure is another very important support activity. Organizational structure, management, finance, legal functions, all this will come under that. The leadership team's strategic decision making, which can impact the company's growth and direction, is a direct example I can pull in here. Alright, we are going to take an example and we will analyze what are the primary activities and what are the support activities for this. Let's take online retailer as an example. What are the inbound logistics? You need to efficiently manage the deliveries, supplier deliveries, inventory levels, and using the advanced tracking systems to avoid overstocking or understocking. You have to be able to do that. Then comes operations, management and maintenance of the warehousing, the quality control process, packaging, ensuring that orders are processed smoothly without any delay as well as damage. All these come under operations. Outbound logistics, yes, we must have the fast and cost effective safe shipping options with real time tracking for customer convenience and satisfaction. Marketing and sales, yes, whenever you think of marketing and sales, it should always be data driven. So, we having the data driven marketing campaigns that can personalize ads based on the customer requirements and preferences will definitely increase the conversion rates. Service, 24/7 customer support. That's one of the best things that you can offer. Easy return policies. It should be ruckus free. And most importantly, post sale engagement to improve the loyalty can also be part of this service. So, these are all the primary activities. What could be the support activities? We already named them. Procurement. You need to develop strong relationship with suppliers and they should give you on time, in fact, in time delivery with quality as well as improved pricing. Technology development. You can use the AI, data analytics, predictive analytics, and you can understand what could be the demand and forecast very nicely. You can personalize the shopping experience as well with the support of latest technologies. Human resource management. You need to focus on the training and rewarding employees to improve the customer service and operational efficiency. Not only that, you need to look into how satisfied are your employees. Most importantly, retainment of employees is a very important thing that also comes under this. Infrastructure, effective organizational structure as well as financial management definitely are required. And efficient decision making and growth will follow that. You need to have all these as very important support activities and that comes under this. What are the steps that you need to follow to conduct value chain analysis? The first step is to identify activities. Please list down the primary and the support activities involved in the value creation process. You need to know what are the primary and what are the secondary activities. Second step is to analyze each activity. Go ahead, determine the cost, impact on the value and areas for improvement. And then you have to go to competitive advantage. You need to identify the competitive advantage. Look at the opportunities to differentiate. I mean, how do you enhance the quality better? How can you reduce the cost? Or how can you increase the efficiency? These kind of thought process will ensure that customer prefers you over your competitors. Optimize and implement is the next stage. You need to focus on areas that drive the most value and implement strategies to enhance efficiency or innovation. Keep improving, keep optimizing. That way we can reach our customers faster and better. Alright, I'm going to give you an activity that is related to the coffee. You can take a coffee break now and do the value chain analysis for a local cafe. And let me know your insights in the chat. I'll be very happy to look into it and I'll let you know how I can do the value chain analysis for a local cafe. In the next session, we are going to learn the mind mapping and it's going to be very interesting as well. Stay tuned. If you like the channel, kindly subscribe. Thank you very much.